Area 51 is known as a place of great mystery. The Groom Lake facility in Area 51 is located in the Nellis Air Force Range in Nevada, close to the Nevada test site where the U.S. developed and tested nuclear weapons. Although there is no fence surrounding the entire base, make no mistake, this is a secure facility with warning signs everywhere. The facility is protected by armed guards, helicopters and other aircraft, and cameras and sensors of a wide variety. One of the most secret bases in the world, Area 51 is home to the world's largest runway and supposedly houses a vast underground complex. Workers at Area 51 are flown in by Janet Airlines, which is located in a secure area of the Las Vegas airport, or they are bussed in on white buses with the windows blacked out. The real story of Area 51 began in 1955, when the CIA and the U.S. Air Force needed a place to test a new top-secret spy plane. The CIA chose the location and construction began on the Groom Lake facility. The spy plane in question was designed by none other than Kelly Johnson of Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, and that spy plane was the U-2, which was to fly higher than any Russian aircraft at the time. In 1960, CIA U-2 pilot Francis Gary Powers Jr. was shot down by a surface-to-air missile while flying a mission over Russia. The CIA then realized they needed a faster spy plane. Skunk Works' Kelly Johnson then designed and developed the SR-71 Blackbird, which flew higher and faster than any known military aircraft at the time. The only logical place to test such an aircraft was Area 51. The U.S. Air Force had denied the existence of Area 51 until more recently. This 1967 CIA document states 3 Oxcart aircraft and the necessary task force personnel will be deployed from Area 51. Oxcart was the code name for the SR-71 Blackbird. Over the years, the Bureau of Land Management has acquired more and more land surrounding the base under the auspices of national security. Due to Area 51's secrecy and tight security, many rumors have surfaced over the years as to what is actually going on at Area 51, such as reverse engineering of crashed UFOs, that it's a place that dead alien pilots are stored, that captured live aliens are working with the U.S. military there, and that crashed UFOs are test flown there.